Hey guys, welcome back again to Playwright with Java Automation Testing Session 19. In this session, you will learn how to handle JavaScript dialogs or alert in Playwright with Java. Alert is a small message box which displays on-screen notification to give the user some kind of information or ask for permission to perform certain kind of operation. It may also be used for warning purpose. Alert in web page is Java properties but not the HTML properties. Hence, element for the alert cannot be recognized through element inspection. So this is the sample alert. Sometimes there might be alert only with like OK button, right? Sometimes there might be alert with OK, cancel or yes or no button. Sometimes there can be alert where it will be OK, cancel or yes or no button. Apart from that, there might be text field where you can enter some value. After that, you can accept or dismiss the alert. So this is the diagram, one of the alert diagram where you could see there is some alert text box. You can enter the data. You can click on the OK button to accept the alert. You can click on the cancel button to dismiss the alert. Sometimes there might be yes or no button where you can click on the yes button to accept the alert and no button to dismiss the alert. So Playwright in Java provides mechanism to handle JavaScript dialogs such as alert, confirm, and prompt. While Playwright generally auto dismisses dialog by default, user can explicitly handle them by registering a dialog handler. Before the action that trigger the alert, register a listener for the dialog event on the page object. This listener will be invoked whenever a JavaScript dialogs appear. You can use page.onDialog here, dialog or alert. You can use it. These are the code you can use before clicking on the alert. So inside the dialog handler, user can perform various actions based on the dialog type. Get dialog type and message, you can get it. So user can inspect the dialog.type to determine if it's an alert, confirm or a prompt. They can also get the message displayed in the dialog or alert using dialog.message. Page.once dialog and page.on dialog, these two things available in Playwright with Java. So page.once dialog is preferred because it set up a one-time event listener for dialog events. This means it will only handle the next dialogs that appear and then automatically remove itself. This is particularly useful in scenario where multiple dialogs can be triggered. Whereas page.onDialog is used when user want to handle the same alert or dialog multiple times during the execution of their test script. Then there is three ways to accept, dismiss or handle a prompt. Okay, so for alert and confirm dialog where user want to click OK or accept it or click on the yes button, user need to use dialog.accept. Similarly, for confirm dialog where user want to click cancel or dismiss or click on the no button, user need to use dialog.dismiss. For from dialog, user can provide the input value before accepting it by using dialog.accept, and here you can provide the input field whatever required. Now let's see the implementation of these three kind of stuff. One is alert, one is confirm and one is prompt. So I have created a new class Playwright session 19. So these are the three line of step to set up the Playwright properties, right? You can open a browser and you can open a new page with Chromium browsers. And this is the page where you are navigating and where you can find all these kind of stuff, either it's a alert, confirm or prompt. So if you navigate it here, right, this is a JS alert. This is the button. If you click on that, you could see I am a JS alert and there only OK button is available. So you can accept the alert. If you go to the next second button, there is an option called I am a JS confirm. This is a confirm stuff where you can click OK or dismiss it. Okay, like accept or dismiss it. If you click on OK, it will be accepted. You could see you clicked OK. And if you click on the cancel, it will be dismissed. Right here you could see. And there is a third button available. Click for JS prompt where you can send some values and you can click on OK and cancel. If you just enter some value, say test, and if you cancel, actually there is no value will be actually taken care, right? It is simply entered null and dismissing an alert. But if you enter some value called test and if you click on OK, so that value will be taken care and it will be alert will be accepted. You could see you have entered test. Now let's try to work with these three kind of stuff. One is alert, right? One is confirm, and one is prompt. Okay, so what we need to do, like we need to go to the page. Okay, then we'll handle first kind of alert, what is like 01, called alert with okay options only, or okay button, right? So what we will do, first we'll identify the locator. So we'll be using let's see the locator. Let's try to identify the locator. Let's right click and click on inspect button. So here what is coming, button, and there is some text available. So we'll try to create XPath or CSS selector. Let's press Ctrl F. This tag is starting with button, and this is the text. So what we can do, slash slash button, we'll try to create XPath. Then third bracket, then we can use text equal to, within the first code we can give the text, we can end that one. You could see this button is being right clicked, right, highlighted. So with that help of that particular XPath, we can try to identify the button first. So what we will do, we'll locate the button using XPath. So we'll be using locator, and where we can give that name of the alert, say fast, it is a JS alert, right, fast JS alert. Okay, and we can use page dot locator method, we can call it, and we can give the simple XPath whatever we have created, and we can end with colon, semicolon. And now we need to import the locator from that com.microsoft.playwright.com. Now what we need to do, before clicking on that one, we need to handle the alert with the help of that either dialog, right, on dialog definitely we need to use, or we need to we can use on dialog once, right, once dialog or on dialog. But on dialog will be used whenever you want to click the same alert or dialog multiple times, so where we will be using like page dot on once dialog, right, page dot once dialog. Okay, where you need to give like dialog, and we need to give that sign. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to give a bracket, and we need to end with that. That is the syntax we need to use it. Okay, now what we need to do here, we already started with that bracket, right? Now what we need to do, we can print out that what kind of dialog is all about. Okay, so with the help of the dialog variable, we can try to print that type. Okay, so here I think we need to import that. Okay, here no bracket will be there. Okay, so what we need to do, with the help of the dialog object, we need to use the type, right, what is the type is available for this dialog. Okay, so it will print the dialog. After that, what we can do, we can get the message, dialog dot message, right, and then similarly you can print it out, right, what is the message will be displayed on the dialog. So what we'll be doing, it will return type will be string, so directly we can print it out as well, or we can store in some string variable and we can print it out, dialog dot message. Okay, it is a return type coming from the dialog, and return type is string. A message displayed in the dialog, whatever it will be printed out in the console. After that is OK button. So what we can do, we can try to accept it, dialog dot accept. Okay, here we can accept the alert using clicking on the OK button available. Now this alert is being handled. So once dialog means it will be only clickable, or only doing the operation only one times. After that, whatever alert is coming, we can try to click on that option. variable dot click outside that one. So that is the way we can try to handle this kind of alert. Here instead of dialog you can try to provide alert in case it's a alert or it is a alert or confirm, but in case it's a from or dialog you can use the dialog here. Alert will also still work. Okay, so it will open the page. It will try to identify the element with the help of the text. Click for JS alert, and then it will click on that option. It will and again accept the alert. Okay button will be clicked. So you could able to see, right? Successfully clicked an alert means the alert this was clicked and OK button was clicked, and automatically it is coming. The result successfully clicked an alert. Now if you want to validate that after successfully accepting the alert, my text is also matching it not. So what we can do, we can right click and click on inspect button, right? And mouse it over here, and you could see this is type tag name is starting with P, and this is the text. So what we can do, similarly press Ctrl F, and then you can start with simply tag name // you can create text path, then again text, what is the text within the first quote, and you can end with colon. So again what we can do, you can again create a locator. So here what we'll be doing will be after handling the alert, we'll verify the text. Okay, so we'll be giving a locator, and where we'll be changing that locator XPath, and we need to change that locator object as well. So what we can do, we can give that variable name called result text, and now I can print it out as well, result text. I will try to print it out, that object or variable. Let's copy it and let's try to paste it here. Now if you run it again, or instead of dialog you can change it to alert in case of alert or confirmation. So it will still work. Okay, let's see. It will open the page. It will identify that first button. It will try to handle the alert with the help of page.once dialog message, one dialog method, and it will click on that okay action, accept the alert. So you could see the type of the alert is coming as alert, and what is the text? Text is coming as I am a JS alert. So now if you go here, if you click on that option, let's refresh the page once and click on that JS alert. Okay, let's close it. Let's go to the original page. Okay, and let's close that one, and let's refresh the page once, and if you click on that one, you could see this is the text I am a JS alert, and this type is alert. So it is working perfectly fine, alert, and I am a JS alert. And after clicking on the OK button, what is the text is coming? You successfully clicked an alert, right? Sorry, what's the problem? Okay, it is coming, output is coming as you successfully clicked an alert. Okay, here it is just printing the variable, right? But we need to call dot text content to get print the text, right? From here, this text, if I want to print it, like you need to click on text content. So that is the thing, it will print you the text available. So this is the method you need to call, text content. Now let's try to run it again one more time. So what will happen with the help of the alert, once page.once alert dialog, and it will print the type of the dialog or alert and the text available in the alert, and after that clicking on the accepting the alert or clicking on the OK button, whatever result is coming also it will be verified. So it is type is again coming alert, this is the message or text, and you successfully click an alert, this is the thing also coming up, right? So that is the way, in case there's alert available, right, and there is only you can accept the alert, you can handle this kind of stuff with the help of the Playwright with Java. Okay, let's close it. Let's go for the second scenario. Let's copy the code and let's add the block, right, comment it out, and let's go for the second scenario. What we'll do, the second scenario is alert with OK and cancel option, right? You could see this is the second step where you could able to see alert with OK and cancel option, and text is I am a JS confirm. So this is a confirm, right? It's the alert is a confirm, and it is a last one is a prompt. So what we'll be trying to inspect that one. We will try to inspect that element. We will see what is the text. This is the click for JS confirm. So we'll just simply change it here. Again, it is a tag name is starting with button, and this is the text available. Okay, and locator here I can change the locator name. Again, same locator type will be there. What locator name I can change? I can change, suppose say confirm alert, confirm JS alert. And this is the alert second button. So what I need to do, I need to change it here. And then definitely instead in either I can use it alert or dialog, that anything is fine. So here in case you are using dialog, here you need to change it, here also you need to change it, and here also you need to change it to accept it. So this is the second scenario where alert is available with OK and cancel option. So we are identifying the with the help of the expert, locating the element, and we are calling page.once dialog, and we are giving it dialog, passing it. We are trying to get the type of the alert, we are trying to print the alert, we are trying to accept the alert. And here after that again, right, this is the confirm JS alert. We are trying to click on that, and we are clicking on the locator here. In case we are we are clicking on the JS confirm and clicking on the OK button. So this is the text will be coming. So I can replace with again same tag, p tag will be there, and I can just change it with here simply. So now what will happen? Now it will be result text will be coming, and I can get the content of the text, right? So this is the second stuff I can do it, where there is a like OK and cancel button. I want to accept the alert. So it will open the page. It will click on the confirm but second button, and now it is clicking on the OK. So you could see this is you clicked OK is like being clicked. So alert is accepted with the help of the dialog.accept method. Now it is a type is coming as confirm, because this is not a alert type, this is a confirm type where you can confirm yes or no or OK or cancel. What is the message? I am a JS confirm. That was the message, right? It was coming whenever you are clicking on that button. And after that, once you accept the alert, it is coming as you clicked OK. So my code is perfectly working fine. Now if you want to dismiss the alert, so what you can do, instead of accepting it, you can call it dismiss. Here accept the alert or dismiss the alert clicking on the cancel button available in the alert. So remaining stuff is same, but whenever you are cancelling the alert, right? So what will happen? Whenever you are cancelling the alert, so it will see you are clicked on cancel. So that is the stuff you need to replace it. Okay, result text. Otherwise rest of the stuff will be still same. So what you can do, you can run the code again. You can see whether alert is dismissed or cancelled, right, with the help of the dialog.dismiss method. So again, alert dialog type will be here confirm, and message will be printed out also in the console accordingly. And after clicking dismissing the alert, relevant message in the result section will be also like printed out. You click cancel. So you could see here the again type is equal to confirm, and I am a JMS confirm. That was the text available in the alert. And after dismissing the alert or clicking on the cancel button, this is the text being displayed. You click cancel, and it is working perfectly fine. So this is the second scenario where you are dealing with the confirm dialog, right? There are three type of dialog: alert, confirm, and prompt. Now we'll see the prompt type, where, right, in case it is a prompt type, right, you could see click on JS prompt and you can enter some value and you can click on X, okay. So in case you are entering something test, and if you click on the okay, you could see you enter test, alert accepted, and the text also you need to, whatever text you are able to think, you are able to also verify it. Now what we will do, we will go for the third options, handle a prompt, where, right, for the prompt dialog, user can provide input value before accepting it by using dialog.accept, and you can need to pass the input value accordingly. So what we'll be doing, we'll go for the third scenario. Let's copy the code and let's comment out it, and here I can paste it again. So same page we are navigating. So this is the third type, alert with input text field and OK and cancel option. We'll be locating the element first. Let's see. Click on the right click on and click on the inspect button here. So what is the text available? Click on JS right. Let's go to the third option, because this is the prompt we are handling now. You could see this is the, click on the JS prompt, that is the text available. So what we can do, we can button and text equal to same, we can just replace it here. That's all. Okay. And now we can change it here. Here it is not a confirm, it is a right, prompt. So prompt JS alert, I can change it, and I can change the variable value here as well. Now I can, what we can do, it is a third type, last one, alert with input text field and OK and cancel button. Now I want to like accept the alert here. So I'll be using dialog.accept, and then I can pass the value, right, where we need to pass the value, whatever you want to pass it. Suppose say test alert, I want to pass it. Okay, accept the alert by clicking on the OK button, and accept the alert by entering text and clicking on the OK button, right? So alert type will be able to get, you will be able to see the message. So in case you are clicking here, right, you could see I am a JS confirm, you are able to do, sorry, not this one, this last option, I am a JS prompt, this is the type you are able to see as a text, alert or dialog text, and here you can enter some text, say alert text, this is the value, after that you can click on OK. So this is the stuff I will be passing it also here, okay, or test alert. So whatever I want to pass it here, test alert, let's pass the same thing, okay, and click on the OK button. Now you could see like a result is coming as you entered test alert. So that is the stuff, I can copy it and I can change it also here, whatever result section will be there. So what I'll be doing, I'll be changing it also here, because it is type, same tag name will be typed with P, and this is the text. Okay. So now what I'm again doing, navigating to the page, identify the locator, wherever prompt dialog is there, and I am calling page dot once dialog, and it is dialog type, and I am trying to print the dialog type, dialog message, and I am accepting that dialog with entering that particular like text called test alert. And after that I'm clicking on that options. Again, whatever result is coming, I'm trying to identify it, and I'm trying to print that context of the result, text content of the result. Now if you just save the code and if you run it again, you will be able to see it will perfectly running. So open the page, it will identify the prompt, right, it will handle the dialog, it will print the type message, it will enter the value in the text field, it will accept the prompt, and after that in the result section, whatever is being displayed will print it out, right? You could see JS prompt, right, open, test alert is entered, and now you are getting the result called, you enter test alert. Now you could able to see what is the type of the alert. It is a prompt, not the what is the prompt, what is the type of the dialog, it is a prompt. So there are three type, we already handle the first two type, alert and confirm. Now we are handling the prompt dialog type. And what is the message, what is the text in the dialog, prompt dialog is coming as I am a JS prompt, and after that that particular prompt open, and you entered the value in the text box, right? What is nothing but the test alert, and you are accepting the alert with the help of the clicking on the OK button, and after the result is coming called you enter test alert. So that is also printed out. So that is the way you can deal with the dialogue. Three type of dialogue. One is like alert, and the second one is confirm, and third one is prompt. Okay. So this is the stuff we are handling now, which is nothing but the dialogue with the OK and cancel and some text. Okay. So you can use page dot once dialog method because it is a one time event listener for dialog event. This means that it will handle only the text dialog that appeared and then automatically remove itself. This is particularly useful in scenario where multiple dialogues can be triggered. Whereas page dot on dialog, instead of once dialog you can use it otherwise same way, is used when user want to handle the same alert or dialog multiple times during the execution of their test script. And you can accept the alert, you can dismiss the alert, and you can handle a prompt also and accept it with the entering some value in the text field. So that's all from today's session, guys. How to handle the alert or dialog in Playwright with Java. Thank you.